Unlock the secrets of staying energized all day. Are you tired of feeling sluggish halfway through the day? Unlock the secrets to boundless energy and take charge of your vitality with practical, science-backed strategies. Staying energized isn't just about drinking endless cups of coffee, it's about fueling your body and mind with the right habits, nutrition, and lifestyle choices. Whether you're battling midday fatigue, struggling to stay focused, or simply want to power through your to-do list with ease, this guide will equip you with tips for optimizing your energy levels naturally. From nutrient-packed foods that fuel your metabolism to mindfulness techniques that combat stress and mental exhaustion, discover how to transform your day. Learn the role of hydration, quality sleep, and movement in sustaining peak performance. By understanding how to maintain consistent energy, you can increase productivity, improve mood, and enjoy each moment with renewed vigor. Let's dive into the steps to keep your energy high and your mind sharp all day long. The way you begin your morning sets the stage for the hours ahead. Hydrate immediately after waking up by drinking a glass of water to rehydrate your body from the night's rest. Then, fuel yourself with a balanced breakfast, including complex carbohydrates. Choose options like oatmeal or whole grain toast for steady energy release. Protein. Foods like eggs or Greek yogurt provide essential nutrients to energize your muscles. Healthy fats. Incorporate avocados or nuts to keep hunger at bay and energy levels stable. Steer clear of sugary breakfast items, as they lead to energy crashes later in the day. Physical activity is a natural way to energize your mind and body. Incorporating movement into your morning can awaken your senses and set a positive tone for the day. Go for a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk to stimulate blood flow and release feel-good endorphins. Practice light yoga or stretching exercises to release tension and improve circulation. Regular movement not only boosts your energy, but also enhances your mood and mental clarity. What you eat profoundly impacts your energy levels. Focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide sustained energy. Complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent choices. Protein-rich options include lean meats, legumes, or tofu to repair and rebuild tissues. Superfoods. Add nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, berries, and nuts to your meals. Hydration. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to avoid fatigue caused by dehydration. For snacks, choose wisely with options like apple slices with almond butter or a handful of trail mix. Stress is a major energy drain. Adopt strategies to reduce its impact. Practice mindfulness or meditation for 10 minutes each day. Use breathing techniques such as the 4-7-8 method to calm your mind and relax your nervous system. Take short breaks during work to reset your focus and recharge. Managing stress effectively helps you conserve energy and improve overall well-being. Sleep is the foundation of sustained energy. Improve your sleep quality by sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Creating a calming bedtime routine, such as reading or listening to soft music. Avoiding screens and bright lights an hour before bed to encourage melatonin production. Ensuring your bedroom is a cool, dark, and quiet environment for optimal rest. Recharge your energy during the day with these simple strategies. Power naps. Take a 15 to 20-minute nap to rejuvenate without affecting your nighttime sleep. Sunlight exposure. Spend 10 minutes outdoors to soak up natural light and boost your mood. Caffeine timing. Consume coffee or tea in moderation, preferably in the morning. Aromatherapy. Use invigorating essential oils like peppermint or citrus to refresh your senses. The people you surround yourself with can greatly influence your energy. Spend time with supportive, uplifting individuals who encourage laughter and meaningful conversations. Positive interactions can elevate your emotional energy and reduce feelings of exhaustion. A well-organized workspace enhances productivity and energy. Optimize your environment by ensuring proper lighting to reduce eye strain, using an ergonomic chair and desk set up for comfort, taking regular breaks to stretch and refresh your body, keeping your workspace clean and clutter-free to maintain focus. Unlocking sustained energy throughout the day isn't about chasing quick fixes. It's about adopting habits that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By starting your day with intention, nourishing your body with the right foods, managing stress, and prioritizing sleep, you'll tap into your energy reserves like never before. Begin incorporating these strategies today and transform your daily experience into one filled with vitality and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.